Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to zoom text in Capcut. First, open your Capcut project and add your desired text to the timeline. You will then select the text layer to access its properties. This easy method will help you create dynamic text effects, making your videos more engaging and professional. We will focus on using keyframes to achieve a smooth and impactful zoom, enhancing your overall video presentation. To begin, add your text to the timeline and position it exactly where you want the zoom to start. Next, move your playhead to the precise moment you wish the zoom animation to commence. With the text layer selected, navigate to the Basic Properties panel. Locate the Scale option and click the diamond-shaped keyframe icon to set your first keyframe. This marks the starting point of your text size. Now, advance your playhead a short distance along the timeline, perhaps 1 or 2 seconds, to define the duration of your zoom. With the text layer still selected, increase the scale value in the Properties panel. For instance, you might change it from 100% to 150% or even 200%. Capcut will automatically place a second keyframe, creating a smooth transition between the two scale values, thus generating your zoom effect. Finally, you can refine your zoom by adjusting the distance between the two keyframes. A shorter distance means a faster zoom. Play back your video to preview the effect and make any necessary adjustments to the text's position or scale. Once you are satisfied with your dynamic text zoom, proceed to export your video. This will save your project with the newly animated text, ready for sharing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.